Good morning, people. Papa sent me an alley bug here. I got home off vacation, and I had 2 or 3, would you please help me? Okay. This Singer, old Singer sewing machine, the lady that brought it said she'd got it from her grandmother, and she wanted me to please try to help it. Well, basically, the thing's in good shape. It just needs a serious cleaning, which I can take care of that. The major malfunction on this machine is this drawer is tore all to pieces. It's gonna have to be rebuilt and taken care of, but that can be done. Now, the next thing on the project is this. The machine is heavy, and over a period of time, it broke out the hinges. That can be fixed. This can be fixed. When I get that fixed, then the machine will go back in here, it folds down inside, and this lays over. This machine was electric. I did not have the part to go with the old pedal Singer. I did not have the machine that went with this one, the old pedal, foot pedal. I wish I did, because that's a true antique there.
Where's the machine for this Singer?
Huh?
Where's
It's put up, wrapped over there in a blanket.
Let's show it.
Honey, and that particular Singer,
Oh, wow.
this is the machine that goes in there. It also needs cleaning desperately. You can tell by looking. And I need to repair the case and put it back in there on the case.
When you put it back in, will it work?
It should work. If you can find, I'd be scared to hook it up though. Look how the old wires are. All that can be repaired. Every bit of it can be repaired.
Will you do a video on this once you put the, will you video putting the machine back in there?
Oh yeah.
On the finished product?
Oh,
Ooh, that's a
yeah.
pretty machine.
I don't know if I can get it back. With this bad boy. The lady that brought that said she bought it, 400 plus, I don't know, shipping, whatever, dollars. The odor. She said it stank so bad, she had to evacuate her garage. She threw it in the yard and washed it. Now, I have no irons in this fire, but I researched this thing real careful. And everybody, 95% of the people said the castings come out wet with a very foul odor. So I don't know. I'm gonna go ahead and play with it because I've raised red regulars for a long time, compost worms. And it's a good idea in theory. Let's just see if it works. Now the problem with the castings coming out down there wet and stinky shouldn't be to me that's not castings. This is castings. Fluffy, dry, no odor whatsoever. That, people, is castings, worm castings. Thank you. Now the number 3 item that was waiting for me when I got home was this. Papa, could you please try to save my plants? Well, this little plant right here is not bad looking at all. It's just ate up. But I'm fairly certain it can be saved. It's still got its green color. Now this one, I think was just neglect, I think. It's not in that bad a shape, a little trimmings. I will spray it down with the soap oil because that'll put the oxygen back in the plant and the roots and give it a little boost. I'll do the same with that one. The soap oil will also kill those mites. I'll trim those leaves off real careful, then I will spray it down with soap oil and put some worm castings around it and wet it down good and just let it set. I believe they're gonna be okay. I will not repeat it 20 times. Good morning, cruel world.